Alright guys, we have another GO train coming in, pulling into Agincourt GO station. This is a year 1728, a Stouffville northbound GO train. And it's arriving at Agincourt GO station, pulling 12 cars. The train heading to Old Elm on the Stouffville line. So we're gonna see a MP40PH, just like the rest we saw before. So we are gonna see MP40PH engine, and we're gonna see a full 12 cars of train. So I'm gonna pause the video once the train arrives. Well, actually, it looks like we have an MP54. Yeah. So sorry for those guys. I didn't realize that we have MP54. So we have an MP54. We have MP54 engine pulling into Agincourt GO station. It looks like 672. Pause the video once the train leaves. Alright guys, train doors are now closing at Agincourt GO station. Okay, train doors are now closed up. MP54 662 672 is departure at Agincourt GO station. So there goes MP54 672. And new cab car 332. There they go all the way down to Old Elm on the Stouffville line. So there goes full 12 car train. So I'm gonna wait for the next one. The next one will come around 6 o'clock. So I'll wait that shows up. Then after that, I'll wait for 6:43, and that'll be my final video. So I'll see you in the next film.